Good morning to all. Good morning, ma'am. I am Rusha, studying first BJC. Welcome to TTRRC. Today, I want to discuss about the differences between uh, types of reactions. Father of chemistry is known as the Lavoisier. We know types of reactions. First one is the addition reaction. Another one is the substitution reaction. Another one is the elimination reaction, rearrangement reaction, and the organic redox reaction. First of all, we know what is addition reaction. Nothing but just opposite of elimination reaction. The components A and B added to the carbon multiple bonds are called this one addition reaction. Substitution means in a substitution reaction, atom or a group of atoms is called substituted reaction by another one to the group of atoms from a new substance is known as the addition reaction. Elimination reaction means there are some reactions which involves the elimination or removal of adjacent atoms after these multiple bonds for release small as products is known as the elimination reaction. Rearrangement means rearrangement of atoms. Here see the addition reaction. Electrophilic additions. In all symmetrical addition reactions to the carbon. Examples of addition reaction is the Marconic rule and the anti-Marconic rule. Marconic rule is the argon-boron complex anti-Marconic addition. Electrophilic attacks on the aromatic system results in the electrophilic redox substitution father of chemistry. And next one is the typical electrophilic additions of alkanes. See the types of reaction. First one in these columns, addition reaction and elimination reaction, substitution reaction, redox, organic redox reaction, rearrangement reactions. In first one, electrophilic nucleophilic radicals. In subtype, elimination reaction is nothing. Substitution reaction is nucleophilic aliphatic substitution and nucleophilic aromatic substitution and electrophilic substitution, electrophilic aromatic substitution, radical substitution. Organic is no. Rearrangement reaction is 1 to rearrangement of perylic reactions of methyl. Organic reaction mechanism అన్నమాట. Organic reactions or chemical reactions. It involves in the organic compounds and the basic organic chemistry reacts types reaction. In this, elimination reaction, substitution reaction, perylic reaction, rearrangement reaction and redox reaction. And now the nucleophilic substitution of divided of SN1 and SN2. You know what? Father of chemistry is known as the Lavoisier, and also father of modern chemistry is the Robert Boyle and John Berzelius. Acharya is the father of Indian chemistry. And SN1 and SN2 was discovered by alkyl halides is done making by specialized. SN1 and SN2 is discovered by the Edvard Huygens and Christophus England in 1935. First of all, you see the slides. SN1, the nucleophilic substitution is a unimolecular. SN1 is unimolecular. SN1 has a two-step reaction. And here SN2 is the bimolecular. It is taken as a single step. You see the SN1 reaction happens in two steps. In what the steps? The living group leaves and substrate forms the carbocation intermediate anamata. The nucleophilic attacks on the carbocation forming the its product. The product is the remixic product. The overall notes. Here see the SN1 and SN2. Differences between SN1 and SN2, and the first column is SN1 and the second column is SN2. Before telling the first differences, I will give the examples for both reactions. Reaction between tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl bromide plus hydroxide, tertiary butyl plus bromide ion is an example for SN1. If see the mechanism, instantly butaxybutyl bromide undergoes ionization to produce carbocation like this bromide ion. So the carbocation bromide bond is breaking, and in middle of it is breaking. In this fashion it is formed to the reversible reaction. Here see the reversible reaction. You get a carbocation like this. And in the second step, the nucleophilic hydroxide ion attacks on the positive charge carbon of this carbocation, produce the tertiary butyl alcohol అనేది produce అయ్యింది. As we can see from the mechanism, SN1 is found to be the two-step reaction. Now we will see the example for SN2. This is SN2 methyl. The reaction between methyl bromide plus hydroxide to produce the methanol plus bromide ion. Example for SN2. Now if you see the mechanism instantly, the hydroxide ion attacks on the partially positive carbon of methyl bromide like this. A transition, here the transition state is formed. And what happened here, when hydroxide ion attacks on the positive charged carbon, the carbon bromide bond is breaking and partially breaking, and the carbon oxygen bond is partially forming. Here carbon bromide bond is partially breaking and the carbon oxygen bond is partially forming. We can call this transition state is unstable immediately. It decomposes, produce methanol, methyl alcohol and bromide ion. What happened here, the carbon is fully formed and the carbon bromine bond is completely breaking. As we can see the mechanism, entire reaction is the single step reaction. So that forms the major differences between the SN1 and SN2. Now if you see in the first column is SN1 and the second column is SN2. It is the two steps reaction. SN1 is the two-step reaction and SN2 is a single step reaction. Whereas then forms the name itself, see, we can call second step reaction, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. That means the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of reactant. If you see the example for SN1, that means the first step, that is formed of carbocation. It is the rate of determined step. This reaction here have only tertiary butyl. Here we have only tertiary butyl bromide. In this reaction depends on the only tertiary butyl bromide in the reactant, not on the hydroxide ion. Hence we can, the rate of SN1 depends on the haloalkenes, not on the nucleophilic. Here see the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of haloalkenes only, and SN2 is the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of haloalkenes and nucleophilic. Here it depends on the two concentration, that one the haloalkenes and the nucleophilic. Here SN1 is the only haloalkenes only, it depends on the concentration. Haloalkene nucleophilic substitutions. Whereas the rate of reactions of nucleophilic and haloalkenes. See the example here. The SN2 has only one step reaction. Both the reactants are involved in nucleophile haloalkenes. That's why the rate of reaction of SN2. And reasons. Here the reasons are same. Follow the SN1 is follows the first order kinetic, and second column follows the second order reaction is SN2, and the reasons are the same. Let's see the fourth differences. The order of reactivity is, in case of SN1, reactants follows the tertiary butyl alkyl, shows the here. Fourth, the order of reaction, tertiary greater than secondary, primary after the CH3. Tertiary alkyl shows the maximum alkyl reactivity. Then secondary after primary, and methyl alcohol shows the least reactivity towards SN1 reaction. Now if see the take the SN2 reaction, the order of reactivity like this: methyl alcohol shows the maximum and the primary, secondary, tertiary, and shows the activity towards SN2. Now if you see the what happened here, for in this case SN1 reaction, tertiary alkyl halide most stable carbocation has, we can all know, in SN1 reaction the rate determines step nothing forming of carbocation, since tertiary alkyl produce more stable carbocation maximum reactivity. As we all know, in SN1 reactions the rate determine step. In this case of SN2, transition state is formed like this. If we see the bulkiness, this carbon atom is less than most stable. Methyl halide shows the least bulkiness, least stericness. Then that's why methyl halide shows the maximum reactivity towards SN1 reaction. Tertiary halide shows the maximum bulkiness. That's why they shows the least reactivity towards SN2 reaction. Now if you see the polar solvents in SN1 is favored by polar solvent, and SN2 is favored by non-polar solvent. Polar solvent means Here the fifth differences, SN1 is a polar solvent, SN2 is a non-polar solvent. We will see the reasons as well as see kind the carbocation obtained SN1 reaction. Hmm. And SN1 reaction. Here we will see the reasons as well. See the this kind of carbocation obtain SN1 reaction. It is the planar molecular. A nucleophile hydroxide ion, it can attack either the direction from another direction. Here the 50% from this direction and from another direction. 50% 50% is product is textural and another 50% is levorotatory. And 50% is levorotatory. Such has the mixture called as racemic mixture. Here see the racemic mixture. Here see the racemic mixture in the last step. Here racemic mixture is the final product. The product is configuration. Racemic mixture is the product of no, in case of SN2 of nucleophile attaching the carbon atom form a direction opposite. That's why living group bromide ion. That's why living group is bromide ion. That's why what happened here, instantly the substrate is like this. Bromide group is presented right side in the product. What happened, the nucleophile attaching from the opposite direction, so we get invert product like this. See the hydroxide presented from the C called inversion production. So reaction product has inversion configuration. That's why is the reasons the nucleophile attacks from the direction opposite to the living group. That's why the product is inverted manner or inversion configuration of sixth step. Here see the first SN1 takes has a single step and SN2 is the SN1 only two steps. SN2 is a single step. The rate of reaction depends on the configuration of haloalkenes. In the second, the rate of reactions depends on the configuration of haloalkenes nucleophile. It depends on the haloalkenes and the nucleophile, but SN1 depends only on the haloalkenes. SN1 follows the first order kinetic and SN2 follows the second order kinetic. The order of reaction is tertiary after the secondary and the primary after the methyl. The order of reactivity is first one CH3 after primary, secondary, tertiary. In SN1 favored by the SN1 is favored by the polar solvent కి ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. And in the second SN2 favored by the non-polar solvent. Here the racemic mixture is obtained as a product. In first step, in second step, the final product is the racemic mixture. The product and inversion, and it is the inversion manner of SN2. This is the differences between the SN1 and SN2, and the types of reactions are the 5.